Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the presentation for our new designs that will be launched sooner. Thank you and good morning.
Very good presentation, Mr. Pimentel. Well done.
You're lucky to have Mr. Pimentel on your side.
Last!
Gusto talaga. Oo, dahil parang wala na. Oo, mga ano sabi ni Dad? Okay naman daw yung pagpaplanin ko and organizing. Kulang nga ako sa controlling eh. Lalo na sa leadership skills. I should enhance it daw. But I should learn more from anatomy.
Sayang naman yung effort natin kung gano'n.
Oo nga eh. Pero ang galing ha. Buti na lang nasave ng honey mo yung presentation kanina. Galing talaga.
Gusto naman niya sa mapaputi mong pala eh.
Alam mo, kung may kuya sana ako, hindi ko na pa kailangan gawin. Kasi siya na yung kailangan mag-manage. Alam mo naman, hindi ito yung passion ko talaga eh. Maging business ko. Hindi naman eh.
Kaya siya i-convince ang dad mo. Ito naman, mag-asya.
Only work. Decidido na talaga si Dad na ang only child niya ang mag-manage ng company ng ZGC. Work.
Uy, si Anatoly oh.
Anatoly! Paano na? Sabay ka na.
Sige.
Kanina na hangin.
Siyempre naman.
Yes, you were really great.
Salamat po.
Girl, ay estimam. May schedule ko po ano na 1 p.m. Sa isang store natin sa SGC.
Uy, okay.
Bumaba?
Yes, bumaba din na. Ganun, parang hindi na tumataas. Last month, bumaba na ng 20%. Nakusap mo na ba yung mga top managers?
Yes, ma'am. Sabi nila, based on the report of the supervisors, smooth naman daw po operations natin for each branch. Baka daw po hindi pa rin ang mga products natin lately.
Trend. Trending. We have the trend.
Di ba, ma'am, once na ilabas sa market yung new product for this season, for sure, it is a big hit one.
Oo nga, no? Mom, could this be?
Paano nila namin kasi nilalakas pa lang natin?
Paano nalaman ng FLB yung design sa ilalabas pa lang natin?
Revenues nyo this month at sa previous months pa, our designs that will be launched was unfortunately launched earlier by our competitors. Our design was intrigued. There must have been a mole in our company. Joslini, how could you let this happen?
Dad, sa next season launch, I'll make up for my incompetence. I'm sorry.
You should be.
Don't worry, Ma'am Jess. We'll do better in the next launch.
Kaya natin po.
Things mawalan natin. Ito na lang, nandyan kayo lagi. I'm so glad to have you on my team.
Hindi pa naman nila nakakopya yung ibang designs natin eh.
Right. We have still an edge on them.
failed you the most.
Don't put all the blame on her. Ako ang may pakana ng lahat.
Huwag mo siya pagtakpan just because she's your girlfriend.
I'm not just protecting her. I'm just saying the truth. It hurts, right?
No, can't be. You're a company's asset.
Jess, sorry, I have to do this.
No.
Malaki ang kasalanan ng tatay mo sa nanay ko.
Dating empleyado ang nanay ko sa ZGC. Kung ano ang posisyon mo sa kumpanya ngayon, yun pa lang ang posisyon ng ama mo noong panahon na yun. Kahit sa simula pa lang ay nakikita ng angking husay at galing si inay sa pagdedesign ng bag. Nakita yan ng ama mo. Napalapit at nahulog ang loob nila sa isa't isa. Napaniwalaan niyang mahal niya ang nanay ko, pero ang ama mo ay ikakasal sa nanay mo. Hindi pa siya kontento sa pagdurog sa puso ng nanay ko at pag-iwan sa kanyang luhaan.
Kinuha niya ang karampatang pagkilala kay inay. Inangkin niya ang design ng nanay ko upang maging maganda ang tingin sa kanya ng lolo mo.
My mother. She was your father's secretary before. They had an affair. I was their love child. Your father plus my mother equals me.
That simple equation. Are you that dumb?
Kuya.
Wag mo nga akong makuya-kuya. Hindi kita kapatid. Lagi ka namang palpak eh.
Anatoly. Kuya, masaya.
Shut up! Mas magaling naman ako sa'yo eh. Ako daw na tagapagmana.
Anatoly? Son!
Dad!
Son? I'm sorry. I didn't intend to abandon my obligations as a father to you. Di ko alam na may anak pala kami ni Carla.
Dad!
I'm sorry, son.
Dad!
Ladies and gentlemen, my son, Anatoly Ferrer Zobel. Okay na kami ni Kuya Anatoly. Nilamon man siya ng galit, nangibabaw pa rin sa puso niya ang pagiging kuya ko. CEO na ng Zobel Group of Companies si Kuya. Natupad na din ang gusto niya. At ako naman, I pursued my dreams. Ang maging photographer. Ako na din ang official photographer ng ZGC. At si Maureen, engaged na sila ni Kuya Anatoly. Excited na nga ako eh. Of course, ako ang bridesmaid nila.
So sweet, di mo lang alam ang aking nadarama pagkapiling ka. Honey, my love, so sweet. Kahit sino ka pa, basta mahal kita. Lagi na lang ako sumusunod sa'yo.
Dad!
Spending my days with you is like living in a world of fancy, with all the beautiful people I know, making love in a world of vivid colors. How often have I been there? Well, it really doesn't matter as long as we're together. You and me together, we will journey to seek and see the colors of our fantasy. Come to life with the stroke of your soothing hands. All the questions of life I will come to understand. Seasons come and seasons go. Stars will shine and lose their glow. But every time I try to look back, I know that spending my days with you is like living in a world of fancy, with all the beautiful people I know, making love in a world of vivid colors. How often
Anatoly? Son? Anatoly? Son?